tulugin pamilya mo. Tara na. Ako lang yung, ano daw, kami na lang sabon, di. Di okay na may pambili kami sabon. Kahit bareta pa, yun na lang gagamitin namin para sa kanya. Okay na yun. Kahit Tide pa yun or ano. Blue Whale. Blue Whale. Lance, bet mo din ba maka-attend ng Mascara Festival? Saan po yun? Sa Bacolod po ba yun? When po yun? October? Hindi ko po alam sa mga panahong yan. Oh, Ate Marie, thank you. Thank you, Ate Marie. Hello guys, 39K na lang, mag-150 na tayo. Ayan na, Ate Marie! Thank you, Ate Marie! Konti na lang talaga, guys. Ate Marie, thank you! Thank you so much. Hi, down. Down here. Hi, down here. Oh, Ate Marie, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Ang babait ninyo. Thank you. Hi, down here. You're from where? You're from where? Mitch May, thank you. Where are you from down here? Babagsak na si mata ni Sean. May afam, yes. You're from, yes, Australia. Oh, you're Australian. Oh my gosh, my nose. My nose is gonna bleed now. He's, ano yung, paano basahin yan? Aussie? Oh my gosh, my nose gonna bleed. Aussie. 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 Down here, Aussie pala yun. Oy, Aussie. Sabi nila Aussie daw. Aussie. Sana all. I think you're a dummy. Are you a Filipino? Filipino? Just chill and supporting you guys when I can. Are you a pure Australian? Ano daw? Are you a pure imported person? Oh, I see. How old are you? Cutie dogs. Cutie dog. Oh, thank you so much. My dog is a Bichon. Bichon Frise. Say hi. Hi. Our English is limited edition only. Yes. Thank you, Ate Marie. Not old enough, I guess. It's okay. Age doesn't matter when it comes sa ano. Sa ano? When it comes sa friendship. Ganon. Ano English nun? Ano English nun? When it comes sa ano, sa friendship. 4 months old. Thank you, Ate Marie! Pas Mami. What's the English of age doesn't matter when it comes to a friendship? Ano daw? Ate Marie, thank you so much. You're a great singer. Okay na yan akin. Do you understand me? Do you understand me? 42. So what are you looking here? You're looking for a friend? A partner? Barkada? Do you know what's Barkada? It's a group of friends. I'm here. Thank you, Mitch Me. Hey, don't boodle down here. He's just passing by. What? Anong English? What's the English of naligaw? What's the English of naligaw? Are you lost, baby boy? Are you lost here? Are you lost here? I get boodle daily. Actually, down, we don't do boodle here because all the person who lost here are Generous people. Yes. Hi, Chad. The last stream did. Oh my gosh. I think I don't need to boodle you. Boodle. No, I don't need to boodle you. I know I can feel that you're a generous person. You can support me right away. If you laugh, you drop. Sim, I'm not like that. Oh, thank you, user. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys, for those who are supporting my campaign now. Yes. Yeah, we don't force anyone to drop actually. Thank you so much, Tashi, for oh wow! Thank you down here. Ah, I knew it. I knew it. Thank you so much. Hey! Thank you, that kayo. Thank you also to Sir User. User. Thank you. Big help. What should I call you down here, Aussie? We don't force anyone to drop here, but if you want go, then you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, user. Down is fine. You don't like up. Why you like down? User, thank you so much. Is user a Filipino or not? Um, guys, don't look my nose. We like down to imported. I like down too, but sometimes I prefer to up. What it go? Thank you, down. Thank you so much. Dami nating ano. Hey, down. Nosebleed out. Sorry for nosebleed. It's okay. Hi, user. Welcome back. Hi, user. Welcome back. Guys, don't forget to... Di ba na plus lang? Don't forget to follow me here so you can notify every time I'm going to live. Thank you so much.
Wow, 164 na.
Down and user, pinalevel up ko lang ba? Burner ko. Wow, ang yabang! Oo. Ang yabang!
Tapos na ako. Hanggang 5 lang yun.
Okay. Just mute me. I'm used to it. No, we're not going to mute you. User, thank you so much. Pag nagpa-level up ka, baka naman sa akin mute. If you want to level up your... Wow! Oh, user, thank you. Thank you so much, user. Thank you so much. Bongga si user. Cute puppy, by the way. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you. Okay, guys, I'm going to to shower my doggy. Teach me how to doggy. Yes. I don't want to end my life. Ano daw? Guys, make me 200. Guys, make me 200. I'm going to take my shower. Ano daw? Yan, maliligo na si... Bye, user! Ay, maliligo na si Sean. Yan. Guys, huwag ka na mag-end. No, I'm not going to end. Yan. Hoy, ba't ka naman nauhaw siya bigla? Lumag dyan, B. Huwag ka uminom dyan. Ito. Matibay. Sino pang di naligo dyan? Magsiligo na kayo. Sino pa hindi naligo? No ligo. Guys, come here. Nang baby. Ako? Uy, mag-akbat na ako ngayon. Mag-akbat na kaya ako. Minagip sa salamin kayo. Ang ano-ano talaga ng mata nyo. Di po ako sa ligo. Uy, si Down is gone. Are you gone down? Ala, ang kulit. Ngayon ko lang siya napaliguan ulit. Hi, Lloyd. 200k cutie. Uy, ngayon ko lang siya napaliguan ulit. Wait lang, huwag ka makulit. May focus kay Sean. Hi, Lloyd! Hoy! Pa 200 yun na ako. Baka na SS na yun. Kayo ha! Hi, Ate Clam! Ay, meron ba siyang liquid shampoo? Saan? Paabot? Nasa agoy, dagan din ng saag diri ha.
Ano yung mga gamit niya?
You are thinking now. Only number one. Nasaag ko din ni kay Lods. Uy, Lloyd. Ikaw minsan ka lang usayra ka diri ha. Ah! Uy, ginanon ko nga, nakita yung balloon mo. Matang lawin. Yan, kunin mo yan. Di, ang kulit niya. Ang kulit niya. May takip pa to. Pakinopen. Huwag ka malikot. O, ay kinuha na. Abay, para kayong na ano. Party. Ah! Alam, may copyright ako? May lumabas, may copyright daw ako. Ah! Shawnee! Yun, sakit na. Isa na lang, ha? Magagalit ako sa'yo. Hindi na kita ibi-baby. Free card. Magagalit talaga ako. Buhok mo, buhok. May ganyan din paliguan si Maris. Hoy, ginawa niyo naman aso si Maris. Hindi po aso si Maris.
Bakit mo siya sinabon?
Sabon, tapos shampoo. Ginawa niyo na aso si Maris. Huwag ka umalis, ha? Oh! Wait lang. Maghintay ka. Brush natin face mo. Oh! Sorry naman. Mababasa ako. Aba, parang yung live natin parang 247 to. 247 siguro to, no? Gusto mo umalis? Lagyan mo nga yun, Dad. Kulit! Oh! Ang kulit. Ah! Bango-bango. Agay. Ano ba? Ah!
Ha? Oh, dinidilaan.
Dinidilaan yan.
Kung kainin. Yan po, trip. Bakit
Dinidilaan.
pala may nakulo, ha? Kumain mo yung ano.
Mata mo yung mata mo. Sige. Ah! Ang kulit. Kulit na mama mo ah.
Huwag mo kainin. Malalason ka.
Kinakagat niya eh.
Wala ba daw yung 5 minutes?
Ito. Mata mo.
Mata. Huwag mo kainin.
Huwag kang magulo, Tinay.
Uy! Ayan lang kami sa mga likod. Hmm. Hmm. Huwag ka malikot. Sige, malikot ka.
Ay! Sikan ako.
Huwag ka malikot!
Natalsikan ako. Shani! Ang likot mo!
Makakamay ko dalawang kamay sa harap. Ay, puta. Makakama ng dalagalo, no? Yan, ganyan. Yan. Aray ko.
Makulikot talaga siya. Yan ako na lang. Mga conbuds. Ito na, ito na, ito na.
Aray. Sean!
Shani!
Right?
Ano mo oh?
Ako masundot mata mo.
Ay,
Ow! Likot?
ikot mo siya.
Tigas ng mata mo. Yan.
Yan.
Yan. Nakakain mo yung sabon. Oh. Kabila. Sean! Baka biglang mangagat. Sean!
Tama na, tama na, tama na. Tama ka na.
Ah!
Ang kulit mo na. Yan. Yung kalya niya. Oh, sino mo basa na ako? Kunin mo na yung kalya ako.
Oo.
Ah. Uy, yung mata niyo! Ate Marilu! Bulag kami. May nakaharang.
Wait lang. Wait lang.
Labas ko muna. Hi! Ulo po. Para man nakagaling sa laba. Hi, ulo po. How are you? Parang kakalaba ko lang. Ang sarap naman nun ng alin. Thank you, Ate Marilu. Babay na ikaw. I'm pretty good, thanks. How about you? Good also. You're from Enjoy Living Life to the Fullest. Parang Chinese kami. Where are you from? Ulo po. Guys, 26K na lang. You can speak Tagalog. Alaska, you can speak Tagalog. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of important person visiting my live right now. Yes, are you looking for a friend here? Ang kalat ng awam. So true. Hi, Kel. Thank you for following me. Uy, another spoken dollar. Yes, spokening dollars. I wish. No, I don't. Okay. 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 Ganun pala. Oo. Hey, Trump girls don't budol ulo po. What should I call you, ulo po? Is it okay if I call you ulo po? Yes. What's ulo po? Ulul po. I know, ulo po. Is that your real name? Ulo po? Guys, 25K left for 200. Let's do this. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, user. May feeling ko need talaga natin ng aral man dami. I think I need to practice my English. It's mean bald head. Oh. Okay. Is that an English word? What language is that? Oh, bald alam ko yun. I mean, yung ulo po. Someone. Language from Alaska? Someone. Ulo po. Ulo po. Nice meeting you. Hi, Ulo po. Are you looking for a friend? I will recommend Tinay for you. Wow! Napapa-English Ate Dinkil. Are you looking for a friend, Ulo po? I think Ulo po. Ulo, no Pacific Island. I think Ulo, tas po. The Ulo here in our place is head. Ulo. And the po is like, paano ba? How can you explain that? Ulo is head and po is like respect. Like that. Ulo means head. Yes, but your spelling is, it should be ULO, not ULU. ULO, it's ulo, and it's head.
Ulo po.
And po is as a respectful word. Yes, you can edit your name. Ulo po. Ulo, Samoan siya, mi. Samoan. Is their language, mi? Samoan. Nice to meet you, Ulo po. Baka ganyan spell sa akin. Maybe.
Parang ulo po.
Hindi.
Anong ulo po?
Nice to meet you. Guys, 25K left. Filipino? Ay, Filipino ba siya? Are you Filipino? I think you're Filipino. Ayaw niya sa blower, no? Ulo daw tinay. Baka Bisaya siya. Kahit pa 200 yun na ako. Ang daming afam dito ngayon sa atin eh. No, it's Lahi yun sa Alaska yung Samoan. Ah. Ate Jenny, thank you. Ulo pa is gone. Are you there? Still there? Thank you, Ate Jenny. Si Ate Lady. Dude, Ate Lady. Follow natin si user. Hi, Sir JR. How are you, Sir JR? Yan. Yan, puro kasi ulo, Maris. Sway, baruway. Guys, 24K na lang. Oh! Thank you, ulo po. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ulo po. Ah, more ulo. Hey, don't say more ulo po. Thank you. 19K left. Top 9. Let's go. Uy! Thank you, ulo po again. Hindi ko in-expect yun. Ano ba English nun? Wow! I didn't expect it. Oh, sabi natin din here. I didn't expect it. I didn't expect that. Oh, yun ba? Marami tayong mga English teacher dito. Thank you so much. More po, ulo po. How old are you, ulo po? Buti pa dito napapa-English ako. Sa online class, hindi. Kasi walang magja-judge sa'yo. Ulo po, I think the siblings of GC Pan left. Ano daw? We appreciate your support. Thank you. Wait,
No.
Ay. The siblings of GC Pan left. Ayun daw. We appreciate you for who you are, what you are, where you are. Yeah. Apa ni lahat? We appreciate you for who you are, what you are, where you are. Yes.
There you are.
I know there's still more.
Mami, supply mo siya.
Yes. Okay na. Baka he left. The Carlia VIP left the live. Why? Yung avocado ko. Mamaya na yung avocado ko. Mamaya na yun. Hi, Apple. Thank you for following, Apple. Ice na yun. Yellow na ba? Yellow na yun. Lalagay natin sa baba. Let's put our avocado. Sarap. Natching ako. Natching. Sorry. Don't worry. I'm here now. Ah, you're so cute. Sakit na ulo ko kaka-English. You know what? There's a lot of important person visited my life. Important person. Thank you. Akin na yung supply. Akin na. Magkano ka doon? Yan. Hi, Blackhearted! Uy! Ulo po, thank you so much! Thank you so much, Ulo po! Hi, Blackhearted! Hey, long time no see, long time no see. Hey, Blackhearted, your mango is already pink. Look at your mango, it's pink. Mm-mm. Oh! Thank you, Ulo po! Yeah, I'm still here, Maris Charles. Okay, guys, we're going to speak English from now on because there's a lot of important person here. Kasi minsan lang naman sila. What's the English of minsan lang sila? Ano yun? Minsan lang naman sila dito. Sometimes. Yeah, sometimes lang din alam ko. How to construct. Paano i-construct mo sentence na yun? There sometimes.
Dito na ano. Dito.
Ulo po, thank you so much. How are you, Black-hearted? Hi, Bong! They seldom visit the live. Kaya talagang di pumis kumburo. Hey, is Black-hearted left already? Is that dog that bite you? No, it's my new dog. His name is Shawnee. Right, Shawnee? Shawnee? Say hi to my viewers. Say hi to my viewers. Hi, viewers! Hi! He's shy. Oh, so cute. Thank you. Ano gagawin ko dito? Dinaig pa nag-champion. Wait. Wait about, guys. Scrolling through my cell phone for 28 times a day. Okay, I'm back. Guys, maubos na English. Yes, my English is, I think it's already gone. Huh? My English is at the limit. No, my English is just 500 MB left. 500 MB left. Your English is very good. No, no, it's not. I know it's not. Baby, let me hide. I'm here at work. Oh, okay, go. Hey, Black-hearted, come back. You come back. You need to come back here because you sometimes visit my live. Hey, Ulu, look at them. Ay, Ulu. Hey, Ulu po. Ulu po, look at them. They're laughing at me. No. And it doesn't matter. I'll let you. 4K na lang, guys. 4K na lang. Ano ba yan? Duman ka pa, wala kang damit, B. But I gonna try these tears tonight. No, my bed. I'm not. Smiling at you through my phone. I think. Am I your happy pill right now? Wee! Oy, happy pill. Yee! Am I your happy pill? Cause I prove you're wrong that I can't move on in this. 2K na lang. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Ate Marie, thank you so much sa support. Thank you, Ate Kia. Thank you, Ate Kia. Ano pala, labasan pala ng mga, ano, ng mga imported. Ulo po, what time you usually visit Kumu? What time is it? What time is it? It's summertime. 1 GC shower. Thank you, Ate Rose Carlia. Thank you so much. Happy 200K! Thank you sa lahat ng mga naliligaw sa aking live. Thank you for the love. What time do you usually visit Kumu? Yun pala. Oo. Wow, 200. Di kasi maraming naligaw. There's a lot of important person lost here in my life. Huh? Hi, Chokwa! Ayun na, si Chokwa!